Imported containers landed at the ports of Auckland make their way to the inland port at Wiri on train 169. Train 134, with its load of steel billet, bound for Pacific Steel in Otahuhu. The square logs of steel billet are used to make reinforcing bars and rods. Each IP class wagon can carry 61 tonnes of steel, giving a gross weight of 80 tonnes, being the heaviest loads carried on the network. The IP class has a 20-tonne axle load compared to 18 tonnes for the remainder of the wagon fleet. The empty Northern Explorer was relocated to Wellington during the Level 4 lockdown and awaits a return date to service.